Major Shah, how do you see this? It is the first step that we're seeing after 9 months of dialogue, military level talks, of course, between India and China. There were diplomatic channels that were also used. But it seems like we are now finally moving towards restoring peace, restoring tranquility at the line of actual control, at least in this particular sector.
Well, it's a welcome step, no doubt. And but you know one thing, China is not to be trusted. They will say something and they do something else. They take one step behind, but they take two steps forward, and they have already proved it so many times in the past. So one has to be very careful and very careful about one has to be very careful about whatever China says. Now, our defense minister today, we all heard his dynamic speech in the parliament where he said that. Earlier, he had said that there will be no disengagement from our side unless and until China doesn't agree to it. And the whole thing dates back to 4th of July 1914 in Shimla, when the Shimla Pact was signed. In the entire 4,388 kilometer stretch, when the McMahon line was drawn, with a small-scale map, with a thick-leaded pencil, line was drawn. And it wasn't very clearly demarcated at that time. And that is the main reason why these problems keep arising. And they're often Indian troops and Chinese troops, their patrols come face to face because there's no clear line of demarcation. It's line of actual control.
Right.
Like in Indo-Pak border, it's line of control. So now what I see, it is a welcome step, no doubt. But China just today again, in the South China Sea, they had some advancements over there just today. And when China's talking peace over there, and just a few days back, they had passed a law that the Coast Guard will strike any vessel they deem fit when it comes in the vicinity and on the borders. Which, right. I mean, come on. So China definitely, they follow the philosophy of win war without fighting, which Sun Tzu had written in The Art of War.
Of course, China cannot be trusted. We have seen in the past as well that they have tried to break our trust, especially what we saw in the last 9 months, because even as dialogue was taking place, we did see several transgressions, not just in this area, but several other areas as well. I do request Maruf Raza and Major Mohammad Ali Shah also to stay with us on this broadcast. We're going into a quick break, but we'll be back with the very latest from the LAC. Do stay with us.